Hello everyone, welcome back to Craftgenic. In this video, I'm going to make 2 easy Father's Day cards. Subscribe to Craftgenic and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Okay, this is the first card I'm going to make. Here I got an orange color paper and now I'm going to draw a hand. If you need a template, please check the description below. Now cut the hand and I'm going to draw an outline from black color. Now we can glue it to the card like this. And then I'm going to draw a frame in blue color. Okay, now I got a red color glitter sheet to cut a heart shape. And now I'm going to cut 4 more hearts from 4 different color glitter sheets. Then we can glue them to the corners like this. Finally, we can write our message here. Now the second card. I'm going to cut the bottle first. Therefore, I selected blue color for my bottle and brown color for the lid. If you need the drawing template, please check the description. Now I'm going to draw an outline from blue color. I'm going to make this card with a bottle filled with fireflies. Therefore, I got a yellow color A4 to cut the light of the firefly. For that, I'm going to cut heart shapes. So, you can cut a circle or ellipse or heart or any shape you prefer. Now, we can glue them like this, and then we can draw the fireflies from black color. Okay, now we can glue the bottle to our card, and finally I'm going to write the message here. Dad, you light up my life. Happy Father's Day. Hope you like our video. So, like this video and comment also. And also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this.